back to my channel. If you're new, I'm called Rejoice Mark. Today we are cooking cholo staple food, Shilluk staple food, that is Akelo and Lum. Some people might use carrots, others might not use it, but then this is my own recipe. So I hope you enjoy watching this, and if you would have to try it out, but remember, this is my own recipe and the arrangement actually doesn't matter. I mean the arrangement of the ingredients and spices.
This is called sukuma wiki. I haven't yet cleaned it. I just brought it from the market. I brought a variety of greens. I don't know their names in English, but I will try. Actually, I'm just gonna use my mother tongue. This is also another type. I don't know its name in English, but it's called achuo. In Shilluk language, it's called achuo. And then this one is called athari. Is it nyete? Nyete or dodo? I don't know. Oh my god, anyway, it's called athar in Cholo language. This is Ugandan type of greens. I don't know its name, but it tastes delicious, and ever since we came here we have been eating it, making a mixture and all that. I know most of you are wondering why I'm having so many types of greens. This is because when you mix all of them together, they really taste delicious. They taste delicious. And actually this very last one, it's called ayad nyete, I think. Yeah. It's the most delicious one. Like, it has a very good taste. The only difference is that the only problem is that it takes really very long time to get ready. So what I'm going to do after cleaning them up and removing all these other useless things that are not supposed to be eaten, I am going to put it down. Like, I will first put it in water, hot water, then I put the rest. Yeah.
So obviously all you need to do is wait for the oil to get hot, and then afterwards pour the onions and then deep fry them until they are brown golden. Some people might not do that, but then that is how I do mine. I said in the beginning that this is my own recipe. And so yeah, for the meat I use hot water because this is how we have been taught in science. I guess it's healthy. So this is how your onions should look after. And then usually I love putting the meat before pouring water, and then putting the tomatoes like that, you know, you get that thick type of stew. And then you come and add your carrots and other ingredients. Yeah, but like I said earlier in the beginning, that the arrangement of putting my ingredients and spices doesn't matter because this is my own kind of recipe. And so yeah, afterwards, after getting this nice stew, you just need to add water, like little water, so that the meat will get ready, because it has already been getting ready, but now you need it to get like extra ready, because there are people who love it when the meat is really so ready. Yeah, and then afterwards you add the salt and other ingredients. I said in the beginning that the arrangement doesn't matter. Just look at this stew. Oh my god, it's really so nice. And the other thing you need to consider while cooking this sauce is the oil. The quantity that you put has to be enough. It shouldn't be little or a lot. You need to balance. Yeah, because actually that's what makes it nicer and delicious. And for the greens, you first need to boil the water, and then afterwards you just keep on adding the greens. Then you keep on checking on them as they get ready. Yeah. And after, when the greens are ready, usually I love sieving the water. I first sieve the water because remember this is brought from the garden, so it might be having like what is it called, sand and all that. However much you wash it first before cooking it, still, you know, I'm a human, my work might not be so perfect. So what I do, I first sieve it, then after sieving it, I rinse it once again. Like, I first cut it with the spatula, then I rinse it once again, just because I want to make sure that whoever eats my food enjoys. And I don't want someone to, you know how it feels when you bite something while eating food. It's really so irritating. Then afterwards, you get the beef stew, you mix them together with this, and you wait for it to get ready. Like usually I don't add water because already the water for the stew is enough, and plus the greens, actually you might find that the greens have already absorbed some water. And afterwards I add garlic. Some people might not add garlic, but for me I add garlic. Yeah, I'll keep on repeating this. This is my own kind of recipe and it's really nice. See how it looks? This is how it should be. Yeah. Oh, one more thing to add, because a spatula might not help to smash it, so you have to use what is it called, mingling stick, such that when someone is serving, it's easy, like it's easy to eat, it's easy to mix with whatever thing you are eating it with. So this is the end, and now we are crossing over to making Akelo. Lum is now ready. And so yeah, for making Akelo, you first need to leave the dough to raise. After raising, then you bring everything. So this is the complete setup. Then afterwards, you just get a little portion of dough, you put it in the bowl, and then you start lifting up while rubbing on the sides and all that. And then the quantity that you put in the bowl depends on your strength, on your energy, and your power. So usually for me, I put very little, and then I leave a small space in the bowl to rub the dough. So yeah, I said it depends on what is it called, it depends on your energy. So usually I just put little, so that I save time and I finish very fast. Yeah, I save time, and also so that it comes out like perfectly, because someone might be wondering out there. And so yeah, you will be adding water in case it's hardening, and then if it's soft, you have to be, then you have to like add what is it called, cassava flour. And usual cassava flour makes it makes it soft. Yeah, and this is how, by the way, it should sound like when it's getting ready. You get, this is how it should sound. The sound has to be like this. Actually, someone was telling me that the sound has to be heard from your neighborhood. Everyone in the neighborhood must hear the sound. Yeah, I enjoyed making this anyway. I enjoy making it. So it's process of cooking. You first need to boil the water. It has its what is it called? It has to be circular like this, by the way. Yeah, and equal, almost equal. Yeah, you first need to boil the water, then afterwards you add it. It has some unique type of saucepan for cooking it that has holes like inside that allows vapor. Is it vapor or steam to reach the kale that is already made? That is already made but ready to get cooked. So it gets ready. Then afterwards, you open the saucepan and see if it's getting ready. Then you sprinkle some water. After adding that water, then you cover the saucepan for quite some time. Then afterwards, so that it softens, like it doesn't be hard when you're biting it. And afterwards, you can add water in. You can add water in the. I mean, you can add oil. You can add oil in the water that you're going to sprinkle on it. And something else I need to clarify is, while eating it, it has to be soft. So while making it, by the time it sounds like how it has been, sounding, that clearly shows that it's ready. It has hardened, but after cooking it, it has to be soft while eating it. Yeah, that's what I wanted to clarify. And you need to put like a lot of, you need to put a lot of cassava flour, such that it's eaten with a lot of ease. it will be so soft and nice. And by the way, the reason why you keep on adding water and what in the process of making it, water and cassava flour, you will keep doing that as long as it has not become circle or it's not equal. It's not like equal. So you will keep on making, rubbing it against the bowl, and while you keep on adding these other two things. And so yeah, basically this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.